¿Qué pasa, huevos? For those of you that don't know what that means, sup eggs. So I'm kind of running out of ideas of what kind of videos to post. I've been posting a lot of gameplay videos lately because I don't know, I feel like a lot of you don't like them. I really enjoy playing games. I always loved watching other people play games. Those are the kind of YouTube videos that I watch, and that's what I want to post. And I just thought for today's vlog I could just spend all day with you eggs. My life isn't really that exciting. I don't go skydiving or wrestle alligators like other YouTubers. So I'm just going to go to the target range. Some of my friends are going to come with me. And then once we come back, we're going to decorate Flanngos' cage in the spirit of Halloween.
Baby? I didn't get an adrenaline rush, but my body shook.
Yeah.
This shit felt badass.
Let's do it.
Ready? Oh my god.
Oh, like that? Ooh.
Just do this. See how I'm holding it? Do that until you're ready to shoot, then start doing that.
Alrighty.
Okay? It's just a safety thing. I'm gonna try and anchor the head again.
Go for it.
I hit that hoe.
Nice.
I hit it.
Good job.
I missed that.
Alright, so I got Amanda to help us decorate for Halloween. A lot of these decorations are her idea. Flango, I'm gonna have to put you up now. I'm gonna need you to stay hidden while I decorate your home. Yeah, as you can see, we got various decoration.
Why are you dry humping the ball?
Can't get it open.
Call quit fondling yourself on the camera.
1 hour later. Two hours later.
I broke it.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
There. It's supposed to be for children. Alright, Flango, I'm gonna have to put you up now. You gotta go in the gyrosphere for now. That should be secure. I feel like that's not secure. I'll put you over there for right now. Don't roll away.
Hey, what would you do if, like, he accidentally just, like,
Like took off? Like a spaceship?
yeah.
I'd want him to take me with him.
I feel like that's a cry for help.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Flango, take a good look at your home one last time. It's going to change very much after this makeover. Don't worry, Flango, I'm not going to take your pet away. That's definitely one thing I'm leaving for you. I got a very special decoration. Since you subscribers I refer to as my eggs because you bring life to the channel, I decided to give Flango his own personal egg. But wait, it sounds like there's something inside. It's probably dead now. What do you think it is? Comment down below what you think it is. If you guessed the Jurassic Park Jeep, you are correct. It's gonna go right here in the front. And to complement that, we got the T-Rex from the first Jurassic Park film. She got old. And then, we'll put the egg. You subscribers are gonna help take care of Flango when I'm not here. I need y'all to watch him. Y'all are gonna go right there. I should probably secure y'all with tape, but I think it'll be fine. What do you think? You think it'll be fine without tape? What'd you say?
No.
No!
It's the dark side of the nest you don't want to
Did
hear.
you take my batteries? Why are some batteries missing?
Show the batteries.
It's supposed to be 8. There's 6.
For cash purposes, I had to secure some batteries since you're not paying me.
Well, so I got this. To me, it looks like an Argonian skull. If you've seen my Skyrim videos, you know I love to play as the Argonians. When I saw this straight up looked like my character. I think it lights up. It looks like there's a light inside, but I think it needs batteries. So I'm gonna put some batteries in it and we'll see if it can light up. And
Hey,
that'll
Kyle?
kind of be the top piece to the cage.
Do you think you're gonna add batteries to it?
That's a good idea, Linda. That's really cool. I really like that. Oh, also, I don't know if the mouse is supposed to open. It opens right there, though. You know, like, can you see that in the camera or not really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm really happy with how that came out. That's, like, honestly my favorite thing so far. Oh, wow. It's like it's breathing fire. Let's show Flango. Let's see how Flango reacts to it. Flango, this is one of your ancestors from very long ago, from a land called Skyrim. This is what your future shall hold.
He's not looking at it.
I think he's scared of it. Alright, Flango, it's time to show you your brand new home. Flango, get out! He doesn't want to come out.
Felt like there's too many suns.
Yeah, let me just grab you. I'm gonna put you right here, buddy. Oh, this looks really cool. I'm really happy how that came out. What if I can leave this open? It's a little better open. I like that better. Really like that. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to join the nest and help expand the nest by showing your friends and your family.
My knot came untied.
Oh.
I had it though.
Flango, what's your favorite part of Halloween?
I got it.
It's knotted?
Yeah, I got it knotted. Not really tight, but at least it's on there. Is that good?
Flango, do you approve? You approve, Flango?
Put them on there to see if it's okay.
Alright, Flango, this is test number 1 of the new hammock. Don't be afraid. It is under your contract. It's gonna be alright. Look at him, he's already gone to it. Flango, it's under your contract. Hold on. Flango! Wait! Haha, you're trapped. You fool. Oh. There. There, he's on it.
Is it good, Flango? Is it good?
I don't know. I guess I'll play with it if he doesn't like it.
I think he likes the branch better.
I don't blame him. It's a very nice branch.